Welcome back, creative minds and AI enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the revolutionary world of AI art generators like DALL-E, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion. In just a few years, diffusion models have completely transformed how machines generate images, outpacing older methods like GANs. But what makes them so special? Imagine teaching an AI to paint by first learning how to remove noise from random static, then working backwards to create masterpieces from chaos. This process, inspired by physics and thermodynamics, allows AI to generate stunning, realistic images from simple text descriptions. As we explore the magic behind diffusion models, you'll see how this technology is reshaping creativity and opening new doors for artists, designers, and innovators everywhere. Let's break down the core idea behind diffusion models. Imagine you're teaching someone to sculpt not by carving from a block, but by starting with a finished statue, adding random damage, and then teaching them to reverse the process. Similarly, diffusion models start with a clean image and gradually add noise until it becomes pure static. The magic happens in reverse. A neural network learns to remove this noise step by step, transforming randomness back into a coherent image. This two-step dance-forward diffusion and reverse denoising teaches the AI what clean images look like, enabling it to generate entirely new visuals from scratch. By mastering the art of reversing noise, diffusion models can create images that are both diverse and high quality, all guided by your text prompts. At the heart of diffusion models lies a powerful neural network architecture called UNet. UNets are specially designed for image-to-image tasks, making them perfect for handling the complex process of denoising. Their encoder-decoder structure compresses and then reconstructs images, while skip connections help preserve fine details at every step. The network takes in a noisy image, the current time step, and any conditioning information like your text prompt. Using attention mechanisms, it predicts exactly what noise to remove, gradually revealing a clean, detailed image. This combination of multi-scale understanding and text guidance allows diffusion models to create images that closely match your descriptions, whether you want photorealism or artistic flair. One of the most exciting breakthroughs in diffusion models is their ability to generate images from text. By encoding your prompt with a language model and injecting it into the diffusion process, the AI can create visuals that match your words. Cross-attention layers allow the model to focus on different parts of your prompt at each generation stage, ensuring accurate and creative results. Modern techniques like classifier-free guidance amplify the effect of your text, leading to even better alignment. Whether you ask for an astronaut riding a horse on Mars or a surreal landscape, diffusion models can bring your imagination to life, blending language and art in ways never before possible. So, why have diffusion models become the new standard for AI image generation? Compared to GANs, they offer more stable training, greater diversity, and higher quality images without the common pitfalls like mode collapse. Against VAEs, diffusion models produce sharper, more detailed outputs and handle complex image distributions with ease. Their theoretical foundation ensures predictable, progressive refinement from noise to art. While they require more computational power and time, the results speak for themselves. State-of-the-art visuals that push the boundaries of creativity. As the technology evolves, new techniques are making diffusion models faster and more accessible, promising even broader impact in the future. Diffusion models are already making waves across industries. In creative arts, they're used for digital illustration, concept art, and social media content. Designers rely on them for architectural visualization, product mock-ups, and fashion concepts. In education and research, diffusion models help visualize scientific ideas and create educational materials. Entertainment industries use them for video game assets, storyboards, and character design. Popular models like Stable Diffusion, DALL-E, Midjourney, and Imogen each bring unique strengths, from open-source flexibility to photorealistic quality. Looking ahead, advances in speed, video generation, 3D modeling, and controllable outputs will make diffusion models even more powerful and accessible, transforming how we create and communicate. In summary, diffusion models have democratized high-quality image generation putting powerful creative tools in the hands of everyone. This technology represents a fundamental shift in how we interact with computers and express our creativity. As diffusion models continue to evolve, they promise even greater speed, flexibility, and accessibility. Whether you're an artist, designer, educator, or entrepreneur, the ability to generate images from text is transforming imagination into reality. Remember, every masterpiece begins with a little noise and a lot of imagination. The future of creativity is here, and it's powered by diffusion.